Hello, in this video, I want to talk to you about your Vision to Success weekly journal, the journal planner. This was sent to you as a soft copy. You may not have downloaded it, but that's okay. If you don't have it, just drop me an email and I will send it to you. Now, I don't recommend, I printed this off so I could show you, but I don't recommend you print it off. I recommend you keep this soft copy because it's a writable PDF. Now, the whole point of this is to take it really short, sharp actions. You don't have to be spending a lot of time doing this. There's some instructions as to how to use the journal. Start with clarity, just reviewing your goals. What progress have I made? What next small steps can I take? And are there any new goals emerging? Because there's bound to be new goals starting to come up. Then visualize, actually spend just a few moments seeing how it looks, feeling how it feels, hearing how it sounds. You can close your eyes and you can imagine yourself actually having achieved that. And do that until the point you feel the chemical change in your body, because that's what gives you the motivation. Identify and shift any limiting beliefs. And if you remember some of the things we spoke about the spinning. We also spoke about that, putting your tongue behind your teeth, or saying stop, focus, stop, pay attention, or stop, is this thought resourceful for me? Because once you really get used to tuning into your internal thoughts, your self-talk, it becomes much easier to change that. And remember, all behavior comes from a thought, which also means that all results come from a thought. Plan your week. Now, there's a to-do list. I do not believe in a big to-do list of 25 things. One thing is far more powerful. If you plan to do one thing and do it, that's more powerful than a great big list. We've given you the opportunity to put 3 things, but personally, I would not plan to do any more than 3 things. Keep it simple. And remember, progress happens one step at a time. So you're creating steady momentum towards where you want to go. So you've got that page, and in here is the main idea. It's the main idea of what you're focusing on for that week. And there could be other small subtopic actions and some details. This is just a bit of mind mapping. It's just playing around. And as I said, the center of all these circles, you can type into them, the writable PDFs. And then this is just a little bit of an action planner here. So this is your goal activator. So I am or I have. So the goal for that week, you write as if it's happened. I see, I have, and I feel. And then a limiting belief, maybe you've got to change. Or a limited belief you want to change, not got to change. You might want to change it. Your daily affirmations. So it could be, I'm full of energy. I enjoy doing what I'm doing. I'm enjoying achieving this. Whatever you want, keep it simple. And your to-do list, as I said, no more than 3 things. And positive focus for this week. One of the things I was doing on my business this week was I was organising accounts for to send to my bookkeeper. I was organising receipts. And my positive focus was just do it. Do your accounts, do your receipts, and it's actually done. So just, again, keep it really simple. And maybe you've got a little plan of action only to remind you what it is you're doing. And then the last one here is each day. So your focus, you can actually have one word there. Your focus for each day of the week can be one word, and it can change. So have fun with this. I put this together to really give you something, a bit of structure around what we're doing, because it's all very well putting photographs onto your vision boards, but the thing about it is there's got to be action behind this. Goals don't happen by magic. It would be lovely if they did. They happen with consistent daily action. But consistent daily action helps you to achieve things that very often you never even believed were possible. But taking it one step at a time will get you where you want to go. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video, which is the last video. And happy planning, happy doing. And remember, send me back an email. Just let me know how you're getting on, because it's brilliant to hear how you're doing. See you soon.